Now, the backplate and wing market has kind of stagnated for a while with very similar designs coming through, so it's nice to see one where the designers have actually thought about divers, what we use, and how to improve our diving. Hi, all of you awesome scuba divers out there, welcome to the Scuba Diver Magazine channel, your favourite place for the latest scuba diving news and gear reviews. Yes, the Halcyon era wing has a few clever tricks up its sleeve. It might appear to be just another backplate and wing system, but Halcyon have included two cutouts inside the wing itself, inside that central donut, so that your SPG hose can route inside the wing instead of over the outside, so it's less likely to get caught on something as you swim past. And it actually has 4 Opti weight pockets built into the wing so that you can fit trim weight pockets. So lots of clever details all over the entire system. But yeah, first let's see how it arrives and what comes with it. This is how it arrives in a pretty cool bag. It's that kind of like waterproof tarpaulin like material, Halcyon detailing on the front. You've got a little window on the front to put some ID as some kind of card so that you can like separate it from others. Not much on the back. The sides have got the little Halcyon H. This side has a pair of elasticated bungee loops so you can clip things off onto that, a pair of webbing handles, cool, big bit of velcro to keep it secure. It looks like a shoulder strap as well, so really to like repurpose this and reuse it is it's got really strong strong features inside. The BCD itself, I'll take a closer look at that in a second. You've got a mesh pouch on the inside with a zippered open and closure, so again to keep things organized. Inside is just a big open bag, and you've got that that waterproof tarpaulin as well, so even if it's still a bit damp, then you store it in this. And granted, it's not a dry bag, but it's going to slow it down at least. Yeah, so the BCD itself, in this particular configuration, as you can tell, it comes mostly assembled. So all you have to do is just adjust it to your particular size. So you've got the integrated weight pouches; they're already attached. Even the well, they've given you the belt buckle, but of course that's the section that's going to be like cut to size, so this they haven't like fully attached it, so they've basically saved you some time so you don't have to unthread it to readjust it and then rethread it, so that's quite handy. The backplate, of course, wing nuts and everything that go to the single tank adapter on the back, with a pair of metal cam bands, the inflator hose that leads down to the 𝐾 style inflator. So it's pretty much ready to go. You just have to resize it to your body size and whatever exposure protection you're wearing. So yeah, let's take a closer look at each of the components. This backplate itself is 3mm brushed aluminium, and the backplate itself comes in 3 different sizes for different body shapes. Halcyon offer 3 backplate materials, so you've got steel, aluminium and carbon fiber, and each of those comes in multiple sizes. So it's not just pick your material, it's pick your material and pick your size. A traditional design, the backplate itself, with utility holes down either side, 11-inch mounting points down the spine, and a 2-inch crotch strap at the bottom. It's a very familiar design, it's worked for generations, it's going to work for generations onwards. And Halcyon offers multiple back pads as well for additional storage and padding if you're diving warmer climates, as well as their cinch system you can upgrade as well for a kind of a quick adjust system. The harness itself is I say standard. The webbing itself is quite nice. I'll get into it in a second, but it's a standard 2-inch webbing that comes in 4 different colors to match your style. And yeah, it's standard 2-inch, so any hardware that you already have or you're looking at should fit it just fine. It's set up in a DIR 5D ring arrangement. It's fully customizable, as most backplate systems are, and you can add extras such as shoulder pads for comfort, integrated weights like these ones. You can add and remove kind of what you need for the diver head. These weight pouches can fit 2 kilograms in blocks or shot weight in each of them. I tried to fit a 3 in and it couldn't quite fit, so I'd limit it to 2 kilos on each side, so 4 in total in these weight pouches. And they come with a removable plastic stiffener just to give that pouch just a bit of rigidity. Each pouch has a grab handle at the bottom and a wide Velcro closure to hold that lead in place, and then with a big 2-inch pinch clip to hold them in place. And then to release them, just do that pinch clip, grab on the handle if you need to. The left pouch has a D-ring with a chunky O-ring around it, and what this does is quick to remove it if you don't want it, but it basically just it holds the O-ring outwards so it doesn't fold flat, just for easier clipping onto it, because you're going to keep gauges and stuff onto that. You can move these weight pouches backwards and forwards depending on where you want them. If you want them closer around the side or a little bit further forwards, they're held in place with tri-gliders, and they're vertically mounted as well. So when you're upright, when everything's upright, if you unclip them, they're going to fall straight downwards. If you're horizontal, then they're going to need that slight pull. The 𝐼𝐸 wing. The 𝐼𝐸 is a very modernized single-cylinder wing for the best trim and optimized lift. Available in 2 sizes, the 30 and 40 pound option. This is the 30 pound standard option, and you can start to see the kind of the rounded ergonomics of the bladder and the outer shell, which helps to reduce drag and diving effort whilst ensuring optimal performance. Instead of just the traditional donut shape with lots of straight lines, this one's much more rounded, and it helps to really keep that buoyancy where you want it, a bit further down towards your kidneys. The outer shell is made from tough Cordura material, which you can customize if you like lots of choices of color. It may take a little time, but if you don't want just standard black, you can get pretty creative with some of the options that come from Halcyon. And Halcyon have done a nice job at branding on this BCD. On each side of the wing, so 2 along the top and 2 along the bottom, you'll find little zippered pouches and then Velcro pockets on the inside for you to slip some trim weights. You can fit a 1 kilogram block in each of them, and they just allow you to fine-tune your trim. You can have it a little bit higher up or a little bit further down, depending on where you need to be in the water. The internal bladder can be accessed with a traditional zipper around the inside, and this inside section has 2 cutouts which are made for hose routing. So traditionally hoses, like your submersible pressure gauge, instead of routing outside around the bladder and the wing, it can route through the middle. Your SPG can be routed inside that donut instead of draping it around it, reducing chances of it getting caught on something whilst you're diving in like confined spaces like a shipwreck or a cave system. The inflator is mounted to a great low profile elbow over your left hand shoulder with a slight kind of angling to it. You can move it a small amount, and that leads to a nice short oval corrugated hose leading down to a traditional K style inflator. The kidney dump lives high up on your insides on your left hand hip, so you can reach it if you're inverted or just horizontal. This single tank adapter is steel. Again, Halcyon gives you options of material. If you want something a little bit lighter, they've got lighter options out there, but the steel one is the strongest. It basically allows for a pair of cam bands with Halcyon's Topo grip strips, which are a pair of rubberized patches that can just grip onto the cylinder so they don't slip. And that single tank adapter just gives you a nice cradle to really hold onto that cylinder, so it's less likely to twist whilst you're in the water. Steel cam band buckles are tough and very well constructed. All of the metalwork and the materials are really well finished with a nice premium feel to them. Even the webbing, as I mentioned earlier, when you take a closer look just at the edges of the webbing, you'll see that the stitching just changes a little bit, and that actually gives it a softer, more rounded edge to it compared to just standard 2-inch webbing on both the main and the crotch strap webbing, to really help reduce rubbing and damage to both your sensitive areas and exposure protection, because it's just softer and it's just nicer. This particular setup has a dry weight of 4.2 kilograms, which is fine for a travel BCD, considering it's got steel parts to it. You can swap the D-rings and parts in the single tank adapter for some aluminium to make it a bit lighter, but 4.2 is perfectly fine. That's well in my like travel BCD weight range, and what's best is it's tough enough that I'd be happy to dive it anywhere at home as well. And it would last many seasons as well, because it's all made out of very tough materials and made very well. The price is tricky because it's a backplate system and you can sort of add and remove parts that you want. In this current configuration, you're looking at something in the region of just over £1,000, but you can build your own setup on the Halcyon website, and it will give you a guide price so you can see what you're buying. You can also customize things like the color of the fabrics. You can choose custom embroidery, such as you can put your name on the wing. You can have a company logo as well. They're quite clever with those kind of things nowadays. Get it ordered through your local Halcyon dealer. Customization is going to take a bit longer than just a standard black setup, but if you really want to personalize, then yeah, you can stand out on the dive site. Usually I don't like too much like branding on gear, but I quite like this with Halcyon branding. I'm impressed by the craftsmanship. Everything, all of the edging and the detailing to it, is they've done a very, very good job. The only thing that bugged me was the kind of the topo grips on the back on those cam bands. They're great once they're in place, they do their job, but they'll trigger your kind of OCD brain because this part is only attached on one side, so it kind of flops down when you're trying to do that buckle up, and then it goes under the buckle whilst it's moving. It can be a bit floppy, so if you're wearing gloves, colder dives, it can get like folded over or something. That kind of bugged me, but it's not a huge issue for me, and that really honestly was about it. Halcyon have built a very nice BCD. And every part of it has a good premium feel to it. For more information, head over to the Halcyon website by clicking this link in the corner of the screen. And for our long-term test where we tested the equipment, of course, subscribe to our magazine. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel here, it's free before you leave, and of course give this video a thumbs up and hype it for the algorithm. Thank you for watching everybody, and of course, safe diving.